Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today I'm going to show you how to remove strawberry and raspberry stains from your clothes. So I'm out with my family, and my son had a strawberry or raspberry spit up, which created this very visible stain on his white hoodie. So I'm headed to the toilets right now, and I'm just going to soak the stain with water and scrub it with the hand soap available. Okay, it's looking much better already. I had to take care of this stain right away because I couldn't risk letting it set. And I always recommend you deal with stains as soon as possible, even if you're out in public. Okay, shirt has been pre-treated immediately after the stain happened. So we will see if at home I can get it out easier. Hopefully it's a white shirt.
Hopefully.
Who gets a baby a white jacket? But
Who?
Why? This is the stain about 2 hours later. Now, usually what I do is scrub the stain with a bar soap. 9 times out of 10, just a regular bar soap can take out any stain when handled immediately.
Spa.
عم فكر استعمل فريد سنين جدولة.
ما حيعرف. When he know, he's not gonna know.
No one's gonna know.
No
I
one's
can
gonna
use
know.
anyone's toothbrush to clean the stain out.
Yeah.
How will they know?
Have you done it
They're
then?
not gonna know.
Have you done it before?
I'm not gonna do it because I am a decent human being.
Yeah.
Oh my god! There is still a light shadow, so when the stain is stubborn like this one, I will move on to the big guns. Dish soap.
That's an overkill.
منا overkill بدنا نشيل الستين.
يلا, use grandpa's toothbrush. It will taste lemony.
I'm not gonna use grandpa's toothbrush.
I'll do it the other way.
ثانية. هلا بنعملها the other way.
Kiss me through the cellular, kiss me through the phone.
Okay, I see a little light shadow still.
I can barely see it. Did you do the other side?
لا, I will do the other side. I'll do the other side. Other side.
Yeah, just slather it.
هيك شكلي on vacation, guys.
Yeah.
ما بقولش منظر.
Also me.
This is our real selves. This is real, guys.
Us, 100% natural.
This is natural.
No makeup, no filter.
No filter.
Hashtag.
No makeup. Messy hair.
Yeah.
هيك شكلي. Mom life. Hashtag mom life. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is mom life. This is mom life. I'm seeing my epiphany right.
This is it.
This is my life. Oh my god. This is gonna be my life.
I'm still fine. I'm doing okay. Kiss me through the cellular, kiss me through the phone. Wow, look at that. Oh my god.
Wallah.
Yeah.
Okay, I see it. I still see it.
I can't see anything.
بلا هيها وين انا ثانية خليني اقول لك وينها.
حط اصبعك على.
هلا هي كانت هون. I see a very
ما كانت هون.
very light shadow.
خلاص ماشي الحال. Let it go.
كتير light. I'm gonna let it go like the song. Obviously, I didn't let it go, and I'm gonna soak the whole thing in laundry detergent.
The public probably stopped watching after the dish soap thing. Hello, good enough.
طيب, okay. I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna just rub these two stains out, and then I'm just gonna rinse it out and let it dry, and we will be back tomorrow for the results.
For an update.
For an update, 24 hours later. So it's actually not the next day. I didn't have time to shoot this part during my vacation because I was on vacation. But now we're back, and here we are. Look at this. Wow, results. We love good results. We love amazing results. We love good things that happen to good people. It's so pretty and white. Again, who buys a white hoodie to a baby? You know, I have to suffer the consequences of my actions. But my consequences are gone because I'm awesome. and things work. So this is how you remove a fresh stain. On a side note, the reason why I was able to remove these stains easily is because I handled them immediately. I took care of them in the moment, in the mall, in the public toilet. This is how fast you need to react to get rid of these stains. And if you let it set, I don't know if you'll be able to remove them. You can try the steps that we tried with this jacket and see if it works for you, but I don't know if it does. So if it does, let me know in the comments. And if you know how to remove stains that have already been set before, please share it in the comments below to let, other people know. That's it. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all the Patreons that support me and this channel. And I'll see you next time. استعملي اللي فوق.
ما في كله مخمود. عم تصور.
Jad, you're snoring. He's snoring in the middle of my video. Am I this boring? Or is he just tired? It looks brand new. Just can't with this constant distractions. I cannot. Jad, baby, Alexa, stop. هاي إذا بدك تكمل your nap فيك تكملها بالأوضة لأنك عم بتشخر.